Hello my loves, welcome back to the channel. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Hey. Y'all see from the title, y'all see from the thumbnail, I know why you click. Let's get into the makeup. Draculaura is the inspo. I've been wanting to turn myself pink for like half a year now, so let's get into it. Everything I used will be listed down below, so make sure y'all click the description. When you want to go like pink, but like very light pink, so P. Louise base in white, and then this is the Acid Rain base in a pink color. I don't have like their lightest pink, but that will be great right now. I like using their bases to like make my whole face a color. So we're pouring a good amount of white, and we're gonna mix it with like a dash of this pink. First and foremost, mattifying primer, because we're not heathens, okay? We're still gonna prime. You need to make a base color, a contour shade, and a highlight shade. So, okay, what do y'all think? Base, highlight, contour. I'm thinking that's what we're gonna do. Let's lay it all out now. Oh, y'all, I'm scared, okay. And we're just gonna like basically do like a normal base routine. I'm literally doing this whole base routine as if this was my foundation, concealer, and contour colors, because I just want to add dimension. Because like the actual doll and then on the actual show, she's just like super pale, which obviously she's a vampire, it makes sense, but I'm gonna still make her, you know, I'm gonna portray her in that way, but I definitely want to add dimension, seeing as this is not 2D. I'm not on a 2D screen right now, you know? Yeah, we'll start with this. So I'm just gonna use a beauty blender, a pink one, of course. Ooh, it's gonna look crazy before it starts looking good. So it's just, you know, be patient with me, please. This just looks very white right now, so I'm gonna be happy to put that base color on. But again, it looks crazy before it looks good. Like, please trust the process, okay? I'm using the La Mercier because it does not give flashback. It just gives such a beautiful finish. La Mercier underneath here. This is the translucent setting powder. Ooh, I hope I don't have to take this whole face off. That would suck. I put powder like right on top of my highlighted areas, just to hold those in place for now. But now I'm gonna go in with eyeshadow to really clean this up the color that I want, like the exact shade. Right now, I feel like I look really, really scary. Colors for days, y'all already know what's good. And we're gonna use like all the pinks, literally all of them. I use this for contour. So now I'm gonna go in with this lightest shade, Flushed, and we're gonna try to put that around, surrounding our contour and highlight areas. So like for here, we're gonna try to go here like this. And I think that'll be a good in-between shade. because I don't want to look patchy, y'all. Like, I really don't want to look patchy.
I'm actually noticing how, like, lavender, this is looking like it's showing up on camera. This was really pink in person. Like, I can't really stress that enough. It was really pink. It was like a muted type of pink, so it wasn't really a warm tone pink, but it was pink. So, like, yeah, I just want to stress that. Like, it almost looks purple. But I'm trying to warm it back up by adding in the eyeshadows. So hopefully it's making it look more pink to y'all. It really turned out cute though. I loved it.
Linery palettes, little bit of setting spray into my black. I'm gonna do a wing detail eyeliner brush. Now y'all know it's gotta be some bling. It's me still, guys, okay? There's gonna be bling. We're gonna go with Material Grow, okay? From BeatsByDeb Cosmetics, of course. Our everything glue, it adheres everything. We're gonna go on top of our wing. Right on top, we're just gonna draw a line. It doesn't have to be neat or anything. My trusty glitter grabber. We're gonna grab that glitter, yeah. We're just gonna put it right on, and it's gonna go right across here like this. She eats every time, honey. Let's do pop of color lashes. These eat for Halloween looks, especially. I'm gonna go with the pink ones, of course I am. This is from my Silk Lash book, Let Us See Her. I think that's the one. Yeah, so this is the shade Pepto from my Pop of Color bundle, and then this is the Hair Extra from my Silk Lash book. So cutting these bangs, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I've only cut bangs once. It actually turned out really good though. So I'm not like too scared, but we're gonna do it like this way. You know, strawberry icing. I got a little bit of a lisp, but it's okay. So pretty. Okay, let's do these low lights. I'm ready. It's late. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all.